Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Toys, toys, and more toys! Do I sound like an infomercial? We've got toys on Hooked on Pickin! Actually, we do. We've got 3 boxes that I'm about to unbox. I have no idea what kind of toys they are, so we're going to check it out. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so I'm really excited about getting toys. This is one of our Tundra companies, so if you'd like to order from Tundra, check out the promo code. That's the last time I'll say something about it. It's in the description. Alright, this is a new company that we just found. We're super excited. Looks like it's well boxed, so let's see what we got here. A box. It's like multiple unboxings. It's a treasure. Alright, lots of unboxings. There we go. I bet it's going to be toys. What do you think, Paul? Is it going to be toys? Ooh. We sold a bunch of these before. Inkadoo tattoo pens. Now, they weren't exactly like these, but they were almost identical. Like, they're just a different maker, I think, the tattoo pens we had before. Yeah. But these are really popular. They've got 3 sheets of stencils in there, and then all of the different pens. So
yeah, they do wash off.
They do wash off, but they're like those fake tattoos that you put on and put water on. So we've got a bunch of those. Those would be great ideas for stocking stuffers, or birthday presents, or any time of the year. All right, what's this one? We might have to go shopping for some of our kids in these boxes before we list them online. No, wait till the end. We're going to list everything online so you know exactly how much everything will cost on hookedonpickin.com, and you'll be able to go straight there to find it. Glow T-Rex skeleton? Oh, it's in a little display case. Oh my goodness. You build the skeleton
and it glows in the dark.
And it glows in the dark. Now that is cool. So this is like a really good, it's called STEM, so for kids that are trying to get, more motor skills and things like that. So that's really, really good. So this is the DIY stuff is like STEM toys. Yeah. So these are really cool.
Is that glass?
No, it's plastic. It's really thick plastic.
Thick plastic. It almost feels like glass.
Yeah, it's really, really thick. It's got its own display case. So we could put some down at the retail space, but I think we're going to put the majority of this on Hooked on Pickin right now because Christmas is coming and we want you to be able to have some stuff. All right. This sounds like marbles. Paul, did you lose your marbles? I found them. They're in this box. Maybe. You remember the Hook show? He kept saying he lost his marbles. He lost his marbles. He was an old man, and he legitimately lost the toys. Marbles. Ooh. Ooh. These are garden stone paintings. It says, show your creative side when you scatter these stones along your walkway. Oh, so they're already stenciled, or you can stencil. Oh, you write on them with a pen, and then you get to paint them.
Yeah.
Cool.
Paint a rock, kids.
And it has a QR code for instructions on how to do different stuff, but it comes with the paint and the rocks. So another DIY.
Yep.
I feel like I think that's probably what you planned on buying was a bunch of DIYs.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping.
Yeah, those are cool because they're very.
Find stuff that's
listen,
less screen time.
Not screen time. Paint some rocks. Tattoo yourself. No.
Build a dinosaur.
Build a dinosaur. Okay, that sounds better. Glow-in-the-dark dinosaur. Don't know if we want to encourage tattooing at this young of an age, but it's fun. Kids are going to write on themselves anyway. Might as well just give them a pen that'll wash off. All right, what's this? Ballerina doll making kit. Ballerina doll making kit. Make your own adorable doll. Name with it. The birth certificate. It's a great companion. Oh, these are like it's like a Build-A-Bear, but it's a doll.
Yeah.
And we even have a monkey on the store right now. It's called a Wubble monkey. Wuggle. Something like that. Anyway, it's like you stuff your own monkey, but it has a birth certificate and you can put the ribbons and you build their clothes and everything.
That's cool.
Yeah. So it just has all the fabrics, and then you create everything. That's really cute.
Make your own doll.
Make your own doll. It's a doll making kit. That's amazing. All right, what else? What else? What else? Another box. We have lots of unboxings. We'll have to count how many boxes it is. Looks like 3, but it ended up being more. French knit butterfly kit. So you knit your own butterflies. This is cool. I know how to crochet.
There you go.
I actually do know how to knit. I just haven't done it in a really long time. So
Now you have a kit, Heather.
I can make my own butterfly. I might actually keep one of these and just do it for stress reliever. Knit your own butterfly. Family coming over for the holidays, stressed out? Knit your own butterfly. I actually have a friend, though, that's terrified of butterflies. So, can you believe that? Terrified of butterflies. Ooh. Origami is always popular. Origami Zoo Animals. Giraffes and zebras and butterflies and elephants and leopards. Tigers. That's all the ones I see on the picture.
Cool.
That's neat. Now, let me just look real fast. We always get this question for ages over 5. Okay, so my guess is a lot of the ones that are in this size of box, like the butterfly knit kit, is probably the same. I'll have the age requirements on each one of these toys, but it'll be under the toy section and Hooked on Pickin. Like this one is for ages over 8, the doll making kit. So we'll make sure we put all that on there.
It's strange though, like origami though. You might have some 4-year-olds that can do origami.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You know, at what point do kids not eat paper? You know?
Right.
So then they're good to do origami.
All right. Another long box. All right, this is the last one in this box. So we're going to move this over here. All right. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, cross stitch. I love doing cross stitch as a kid. There we go. Cross stitch. Fun craft work you can enjoy for a lifetime. So this will make like a book, I think. Makes a tote bag. This makes a tote bag with handles. Cool. Pre-cut. It has 1 plastic canvas, 1 pre-cut felt with holes, different colored yarns, 1 needle pattern, templates, and detailed instructions on how to make the cross stitch. That's cool.
I figure if they learn how to do it, then they do it with other things, you know?
Yep.
Even the origami, it'd be kind of a neat little thing.
It would be it'd be a neat thing to learn. All right, what else is in these? Toys, and more toys! Sorry, I had to bring back the infomercial just for a second. Sound like the My Pillow guy. He always talks really loud. But he's selling him some pillows. All right. It's a big box. Let's open this one. Speaking of pillows, I did not know that the
nice
well, I know, nice segue. I did not know that that's what was in this box.
Lovely pillow, my unicorn.
Lovely pillow, my unicorn. So you make your own pillow. So you stitch the edges and then stuff it and then decorate it and all that stuff. Make your own pillow. So it is cool.
Learn how to do that, then you can take almost any pattern and turn it into a pillow.
It's got plastic needles, so it doesn't even have metal needles, child-safe needles, because I guess the felts or whatever, you can just poke them through with plastic. 1 spoon of embroidery thread, 2 pre-cut felt shapes, 2 spools of yarns, 2 plastic needles, stuffing, and detailed instructions. That's what comes in it. So that was pretty funny that I opened a pillow right after talking about the My Pillow guy. I just see his commercials all the time, so.
That's YouTube magic right there.
YouTube magic right there. Only I didn't do any editing on that segment there. All right. Or did I? No, I didn't. My videos are pretty raw. All right, let's see. Okay, box cutter with the left hand does not work. I'm not ambidextrous. There we go. Kids Labs. What are we making here? This one is a robotic hand.
That's awesome.
Sweet. Kind of looks like the RoboCop hand. You know what I mean? Like the old school RoboCop hand. So you can make a robotic hand.
That is really cool.
That is really cool. Build your own robotic hand, human hand, and amaze your friends with its realistic grabbing movements. Awesome. These are all really cool. I feel like I want to play with all of them. All right. Last box in this box. And then we'll open that, and I believe there's toys, and more toys. Suck that box. I'm annoying somebody. I know it. If I annoy you, please don't comment. Only the nice people can comment. All right. Ooh, I see a volcano.
Nice.
Tabletop volcano. For ages over 5. Basically, you adhere the stickers to the eruption chamber. You insert the eruption chamber, apply vinegar, and watch the bubbly volcanic eruption. Oh, but you have to use baking soda and vinegar.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Make your own little volcano.
Make a little volcano. How cool is that?
Fun little kit.
Yep, fun little kit of volcanoes. All right. Last one. I'm going to find out what's in it. I bet it's toys. But what kind of toys? That is the question. So all these, wait till the end. In just a few minutes, we're going to list everything on hookedonpickin.com. We're going to show you exactly what we called it, where it's at. It'll be under the toy category on the stores. So you'll be able to see all of that. We'll try to make sure they're all at the top so that we can, you know where they're at. And just look at the title. That's the easiest way. And then you can type that in. All right. What is in here? This is... Oh, cool. So you guys have been really enjoying the handbags and crossbody bags we've been having on hookedonpickin.com. Well, here you go. For your kid, they can just make their own designer leather crossbody bag. That's really cute. With jewels and gem stickers. And yeah, you're actually working with leather.
They can learn how to knit, cross-stitch, work with leather.
Make a robotic hand.
Make a robotic hand.
Explode volcano. For those that don't want to create anything, you can just get the volcano and let them destroy stuff. Oh my goodness, this is really, really heavy. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Super heavy. It's a box of rocks. I really have no idea what it is. That looks like a balloon or a bomb.
Could be both. Balloon bombs.
Balloon bombs. Oh. Hacky sacks.
Now it's juggling.
Juggling? Oh.
You can learn how to juggle.
It is.
It's a juggling kit.
See, you could just partner this with our juggling kit. Here you go. I just gave you a gift idea right here.
Juggling and magic?
Juggling and magic. Don't we have some bigger magic kits too?
Yeah, we do.
We got some bigger magic kits, and we have 3 different boxes of those ones. So.
There's the code to scan to...
Look, you can burn up to 280 calories per hour. That's what it says. By juggling.
I gotta learn how to
Yep, we gotta learn how to juggle so we can get thin. And then it has a QR code, so it shows you how to do it.
Awesome.
Kids these days, they just learn everything with videos. All right. Then, oh yeah, I do videos. Hey, watch my videos. You can learn how to unbox. Actually, a lady at church told me that her daughter went and got a box, and she was pulling things out of it, and she was like pretending to cut it with a pretend pizza cutter or whatever from her kitchen. And she literally like did the hooked on Pickin thing and everything. It was hilarious. She's like 3 or 4. So I'm inspiring our church kids, I guess. Ooh. What is this? Night Sky Projection Kit. It says...
You learn all the constellations.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you do. You learn all the constellations. It's even got a little... Let me see. What's it come with? So it's the projector. Do you build it? I think you build it because it comes flat and then you build it.
Right.
Because look on the back. See the lamp and then you build the sphere.
Very cool.
That's cool. All right, so that was the last thing. I say let's go straight to Hooked on Pickin and find out how much does it cost to buy each and every one of these things. All right, everybody, I've got everything listed on hookedonpickin.com. You just simply go to hookedonpickin.com. You can go to toys, and you'll see all of our new toys populated right there at the top of the list. You can also scroll down on hookedonpickin.com to our different collections that we have. Make sure you check out all of them. You can click to toys here as well and still see everything. You have to go a couple of pages to see all of our new things since they're all brand new toys. So check them out. But what did we put on here and how much will it cost? So let's go ahead and check that out. So we have the Origami Zoo Animals at $9.99. We have the Garden Stone Painting Kit. Comes with everything you need to be able to do this kit, $9.99. The French Knit Butterfly Kit. And the bonus about all of these kits is it includes everything. The needles, the thread. So no extra items are needed to create any of these DIY kits. Then we have the Glow T-Rex Skeleton DIY kit. So that's what it looks like when it's glowing. Comes with all these different pieces and comes in the tiny little tube like we showed you. $5.99 for that. $12.99 for the 9-inch Robotic Hand DIY kit. Then we have the air-weighted juggling balls, $8.99. You get 3 of them, and it shows you a QR code to show you how to juggle and all that fun stuff. So check those out and learn how to juggle over the holiday break. Then we have the Night Sky Projection Kit, really cool globe that you get to build yourself. And so that'll be really fun. $12.99 for that. The Inkadoo tattoo pens, and so it comes with 3 stencils and all of these different colors. They do come off eventually, but it is a really fun thing to play with. $6.99 for that set. Then we have the easy to do cross stitch, where you're going to create a tote bag. Really, really cool item there. And so it's actually a usable tote bag. $14.99 for that. Then ballerina doll making kit, $14.99 for that, and it comes with each and every item needed to create this doll and the clothing pieces and the ribbon for the shoes and everything. $14.99 for that. Then we have the Faux Designer Make a Leather Bag Kit, craft kit, $14.99 for this craft kit. It's really, really cute, and it'll make a functional purse that will not fall apart. Making a pillow, the unicorn pillow, $14.99 for this craft kit. These are larger craft kits, and so that's why they're a little bit more, but really, really cool, intricate kit. Turned out really nice. And last but not least, let's have a tabletop volcano. So it's pocket sized, $9.99 for this. You just need baking soda and vinegar to add to it, but it's got all the chemicals and designs needed to make an awesome tabletop volcano. So hopefully you guys enjoy all of the new items on Hooked on Pickin, and you're able to buy some fun Christmas gifts or regular birthday gifts or just everyday things to occupy your kids with them and some of the DIY toys. So much better than screen time. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.